holes.
And that's what he made. So that started the...
Any of this stuff like that just started off the same as that. You know, you take like these snakes right here. That was made from an old file. This old horse hoof file. Any of that railroad spikes that make knives out of and stuff. This is out of
There's a pile of them in there.
Hammer.
Came from your grandma.
Found in the wall.
Yeah.
Right here. That's all it is. I love taking old junk, just old junk metal, and make it into something. And I know guys like these a lot. You know, it's like that. That's what that's going to end up being. It's just like that. But you can make chains, hooks, anything you want out of it. Decorative. The twist onto it is just a decorative end. Make anything. Who wants to give it a try? Jacob.
That's 4 rods.
What would you like to make?
Hold on the end. Heat it. Twist it. And then back up.
Something easy. Well, let's see if we can.
Think you can make us a couple hooks to hang the safety glasses thing from?
What's
This
that?
would be perfect for it, Scott. Pound it in.
Need a couple hooks to hang the safety glasses
How
rack.
big a hook you want?